Love you 3,000.
And Habak 3,000 from
Love
UAE.
you 3,000.
Ti amo 3,000.
Barahmida 3,000.
Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Miner's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient.
Hey Miranda, Coach Miranda Miner here. Do you want to earn additional income by just spending 1 hour of your day? Why don't you try cryptocurrency trading? Trading in crypto is just 1 hour business that can give you the potential to earn more. But earning more means you have to invest in your learning, right? Pero how? Hear me out, Miranda, because I have a good news for you. Our Miranda Miner Elite University offers easy-to-understand courses about cryptocurrency trading at the most affordable enrollment fee in the market. So, what are you waiting for? Learn more so that you can earn more. With the Miranda Miner Elite University, I will see you in our class.
Ka Miranda, ipangako mo sa sarili mo, you will never give up on trading. You will continue learning. You will put your eyes on the road, eyes on the price, eyes on the target. Andito lang kami. I will help you. You will be successful. You are successful. Claim it. And we are commitment. Ako ay isang disiplinadong crypto trader. I will always plan my trades. I will not enter if it's not my bread and butter trade. I will say no to FOMO dahil I can always earn profits naman in my alpha trades. May tamang signals for buying and selling. Bakit ako? Manghuhula analysis. I will journal my trades because I want to know myself more. I know that my emotions will be known if I write them down. I will treat trading as a business, and that since I don't have a boss, I will make myself accountable to my losses. I will do all of this, I promise. Because alam ko, yayaman ako, uunlad ako, I can reach my dreams very soon. Trading is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and I am a millionaire. Millionaire trader, and I have a millionaire mindset. Hey Miranda, good evening to each and every one of you. Today is Friday. Thanks God it's Friday, October 14. Time check, it's 9:03 ng gabi. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. My name is Coach Miranda Miner and welcome to another edition of our cryptocurrency technical analysis, fundamentals, trading quotient, and everything in one channel. I'm actually streaming here in YouTube, in Facebook, in Binance Live. Hello to our Binance viewers live who are watching right now, and thank you for the 4,000 plus followers that we have there in Binance. Maraming salamat po. My name is Coach Miranda Miner and I'm a Filipino. I am streaming live here in the Philippines, and I hope you are ready for 1 hour of punong-puno, siksik, liglig at napakagandang araw for today. Okay, our topic for today is about kamusta na? All right, how are you after the CPI? No, what's happening? Kamusta? No, sige nga, I want to see show of hands. No, can you please type down number 1 if you have profited in the CPI update kagabi? If not naman, don't comment, or I would say comment number 2. Sige nga, kung hindi kayo kumita, kung medyo nahirapan. At comment number 3 kung hindi sumabay. Yan. Tingnan natin. I wanted to see how is the community. Kamusta naman kayo, Miranda, after the CPI market update? Okay. Hey Choi, kamusta? Namiss ka na namin. And of course, Kuya Charles, maraming salamat, no? Ay, marami. Yan, si Ervin, type number 1. Very good. Very, very good. Kota na daw si Aaron. Very good. Nako, alright. Pipo, hindi nag-trade. Anthony, mukhang hindi kumita. Kasama kang tumanda. Actually, it's a different market. No, may mga hindi sumama, may mga hindi nag-trade. It's a mixed market. Alright, napakagandang update. Alright, let's now quickly go on with our topic. Our topic for today is about the CPI market update. How are you after the CPI? Alam mo, I also have some lessons learned. Yan, ito yung aking trade na pinost sa lahat, no? I learned my lesson. No? Of course, di naman tayo perfect. But sabi ko nga, as long as you observe your discipline on cutting loss, kasi I was shorting. I shorted, no? And kumita ako ng shorting, pero pinasok ko ulit, no? At 18,400. At nung humataw na ng 18,002, sabi ko mukhang hindi tutuloy, may nakita akong oras eh. So, true enough, tumuloy-tuloy na yan, nag-bounce na yan paakyat on the oras area, no? Ang aking lesson learned dito, Miranda, is that you need to ride on your wins, not ride on your losses. I hope na lahat tayo may ganyang mindset, no? Let's not ride our losses. We need to continue to, consider our stop loss. Okay? We need to continue to consider. Actually, to be honest, less than 10% pa nga yan eh. No, yung stop loss na yan. But it's okay, no? At the end of the day, I wanted to follow, my setup at we need to cut our loss, and it is what it is, Miranda. All right, let's now move on with some of our reminders kagabi. Let's all listen. We keep on listening to the reminders of other analysts. This time, I would like to replay to all of you what did we tell yesterday before po tayo matapos ng live. Okay? Before po tayo matapos ng live, ito po yung sinabi natin, Miranda. Carefully ha. So, ang gagawin nyo ngayon, di ba, meron tayong support. Kayo na bahala dito, Miranda. Diba, kita na kayo dyan eh. Ayan o. Ayan o. Nakikita nyo yan? Nakikita nyo ito mag-o-oras yan dyan. Pwede mag-oras yan dyan. Okay? Pag nag-oras, nasa na ba ako yan? Kapag nag-oras yan dyan, where am I? Teka, wala yung aking screen. Ito. Kapag ito nag-oras dito, kunin mo yung bounce niya. Kunin mo tong bounce. Otherwise, scalp this market. Guys, scalp this market. Parang awa nyo na. Hindi po para sa lahat itong market na to, ha? Okay? So, ang gagawin ninyo, aantabayanan ninyo itong, okay, aantabayanan po ninyo itong, pwede pong mag-bounce yan dyan, or antabayanan yung magkaroon ng confirmation for a breakdown. Ha? Mamaya I will tell you, Miranda, what is my other indicator. Bakit ko cannot loss yan? I'm going to tell you maya-maya. Abangan nyo po yan, yung potential na mangyari. Kasi sabi sa inyo, sinalo lang, di ba? Ito yung unang-unang 618. Lumalaban, di ba? Yung 618 natin. Nung hinataw pababa, nagkaroon ng bearish retracing candle, tapos bumaba. Sinalo lang nung support. Mag-ingat kayo dyan. Dahan-dahan. Okay, scalp lang the market, no? Scalp lang the market. Dahan-dahan po tayo. Okay? So yun po ang laro natin, no? Kasi to be honest with you, so sabi natin, you need to scalp the market, observe low time frame, fast moving up trade, no? Tapos kunin mo kung mag-oras bounce or magbe-breakdown. Doon mo siya papasukan ng heavy short. Kasi meron nakasalag na support, no? So papasukan mo siya ng heavy short pababa. Okay? It's everyone's ball game. It's everyone's ball game. Everyone can be winners on this market. Ngayon, ano ang ating pwedeng gawin sa mga hindi naman nag-profit? Aba, palakpakan naman natin because it's not every guys. That's gonna be my reminder. It takes a lot of patience. That's my reminder to all of you, Miranda kagabi. Okay? Miranda kagabi, no? So we need to make sure na alam po natin, we mentioned to you the support and the resistance potential movement. So, kailangan po natin na malaman, okay, na meron pong potential tumalbog yan or bumasag, no? So, ganun talaga pag alam mo kung saan hahataw pababa, potentially you can understand kung ikaw ay magsisell on tranche na or hahayaan mo lang kung meron pang momentum pababa. Okay, yun ang ating ginawa dyan. Ngayon, let's actually close that. Ngayon, what I'd like to talk about, mamaya I'm gonna be back with technical charting. Let's quickly go back with the entire big market picture, no? Miranda, couple of data points, no? I would like to show to you, no? Tingnan po natin kung gaano kalaki ang naging epekto ng CPI sa buong market natin, no? So CPI has increased 40 basis points or 0.4, no? At ang pinakamalaking humataw talaga is food. We saw a decrease in energy. Okay, but ang sabi ko sa inyo kahapon, 30% or 33% ng CPI is shelter. And shelter, again, registered a 70 basis point increase. So net-net, talagang tanggap na natin that the market can provide a very high CPI. Okay? Ang tanong ngayon, saan pupunta ang Fed? Pag-aralan natin, I want you to listen to my opinion. Sabi natin kahapon, potentially, pag tumaas lahat because shelter has almost 33 or 1/3 of the entire CPI, kapag tumaas ang CPI, sabi natin, potentially the market, okay, can feel another 75 basis points ng next increase nila, no? Miranda, here is my opinion. Okay? So, tingnan natin from the lens of three things. Number one, CPI sa Pilipinas at CPI sa US, pagkumparahin natin. Unang-una, malayo. Napakalaki ng ekonomiya ng US when the Philippines is just a very small economy. But, ang Philippines, nung nagtaas ng interest rate ang US, the Philippines is already at 150 basis points. So kung magtaas man tayo ng interest rates, mapapansin ninyo, lumalaban yung economy natin. Tumataas pa rin ang stocks natin simply because we did not start on zero. Okay. Pangalawang comparison, let's go to the US. Ito yung laging pinagkukumparahan ng mga analysts, no? Because Chairman Powell is being compared to Paul Volcker noong 1970s during the Vietnam War, oil crisis, etc. During that time, sobrang taas din po ng inflasyon. And as a matter of fact, pinagkukumparahan lagi yung normally yung mga gumawa ng libro natin ngayon, ito yung mga matatanda na nung 70s, di ba? So, lahat ng mga students of the economy today, their teachers are people who are already elderly and they were born during the 70s. Ito yung meron mga Paul Volcker mentality. How can you carve out inflation? But there are two salient difference na kailangan nating malaman. Okay, bakit hindi dapat natin pagkumparahin yung dalawang inflation, dalawang era, 70s and year 2020, almost 40 to 50 year apart, no? Bakit? Number one, Miranda, yung itong inflation na to, okay, itong interest rate na ginawa ng Federal Reserve ngayon, kaya nagkakanda baku-bako ang economy ng lahat po talagang apektado, global economy is affected. Simply because if we compare that during the 1970s, yung interest rate noong 1970s from 10% hinataw nila ng 20%. Okay. In comparison, tayo, hilong-talilong na tayo, 4% pa lang. Pero here is the catch. Bakit nagkakaroon ng problema? You need to remember, di ba sabi natin nung November of last year, sinasabi ng Fed, transitory yung inflation. Di ba nagkamali sila? Pinalala pa yan nung gera sa Ukraine, February onwards. Here's the problem. If the Philippines started at 150 basis points or 1.5%, Currently, we're around 4%. Tumaas lang tayo of almost less than 2 to 3x. Samantalang itong US Federal Reserve natin ngayon, they started at 25 basis points or 0.25. 0.25. Ngayon po, pag inangat nila ng 75 bips, nasa 400 points na tayo or 4%. Ibig sabihin, in a span of April, May, June, July, August, September, October, in a span of 7 months, 16 times na po ang nilipad ng ating performance. 16 times or 16x na pong tinaas ng interest rates coming from 25 basis points. We're already 400. So ano yung sinasabi ko ngayon dito? Ito yung sinasabi natin. Marami ng mga analysts ang nagsasabing baka magdahan-dahan na ang Fed. So ano yung kahapon? That is the volatility effect of the market creating panic. Bakit biglang bumalik pataas? Because the effect yesterday is not or are not the whales. Yung mga bumili kahapon are the retailers. People on the big capital are on a wait and see. Kaya sobrang volatile because the market isn't there. The big ones aren't there yet. Okay? So, we're talking about a 16x increase and this created a real shock in the macro and the big economy. Pero, let me tell you kung bakit ako nag-cut loss and why do I think tataas ang market the other way around and I need to cut loss. Another thing, bakit nga po bukod sa perception, meron ba tayong statistics, coach? Do we have any indicators today that you think can make the difference in terms of changing the atmosphere? Syempre, alam nyo ba ang sagot? Sige nga, type down below. Ano ba ang ating reason? Sige nga, type down below. Who do you think or what do you think is the reason kung bakit umakyat yan? Bukod sa, of course, si Bitcoin nag-oras, di ba? Sino sa tingin nyo or ano sa tingin nyo ang indicator kung bakit nag-bounce ang market? Sige nga, tingnan natin kung sino makakahula. We'll see. Sige nga, Miranda, comment down. Everyone is actually listening, ha? Nako. Tingnan natin. What do you think is the metric? Bakit po umakyat? Why did Bitcoin and why did the stock market went up? Why? Elon Musk, okay. Oras only YY, okay. Okay. RSI, nope. Okay, I'm going to tell you what. Contrarian mindset, wala pa rin. Favorite nyo to. Oversold, nope. Biden statement, nope. Divergence, nope. Parang alam ko yung movie na yan, ah. Multi-year oras, no. Nope. Alright, bottom. Alright, priced in. Okay, let me tell you. Wala nakahula, no? Okay, let me tell you. Ito po yung dahilan. So, let me show to you. Okay. Wala pa rin nakakahula hanggang ngayon. Alright. So, the reason is, okay, yan. Ano ang dahilan, guys? Ano ang dahilan? Tingnan natin. Let's see, what is the reason? Bakit nag-bounce? What happened? Diba? Ano kaya ang rason? Alright. Open interest. Matatalino na itong mga to. Alam na rin yung mga open interest. Alright. Of course, the answer is your Fibonacci 618. Grabe lang talaga si 618. Sobra na talaga. So when the US 100 index, okay, tinutok-tok na yan ni Nasdaq, but 618 Miranda fought. a hard fight. Lumaban. It fought a hard fight. Take a look at that. Diba? Nakita mo? Take a look at that, Miranda. Take a look at that. Diba? The power of nature. The entire macro trillion-dollar economy bounce because nakialam na ang nature. The nature made its way, nagparamdam. Right? Nagparamdam na. So on a very, 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 very big picture, okay? On a very big picture from 2020 to 2022, it created a 618 at 10,575. So when it created a 618, doon na po nag-bounce lang talaga siya. Alam mo, nakakapangilabot no. Ang daming sinasabi ng maraming tao, and for the coin, for the whole market just to bounce on your 618. Diba? It just bounced there. And when I saw that, sabi ko, nako, mukhang mag-o-oras si Bitcoin. Mukhang mag-o-oras si Bitcoin. So, nung humataw na around 10:30 ng gabi onwards, umaakit na si Bitcoin, sabi ko, nako, cut loss na to. Cut loss na to. Diba? Sabi natin, nako. So when on the same lens, if you actually look at Bitcoin, when you look at Bitcoin, Miranda, Bitcoin performance at the same time bounce on a multi-year oras here. At the same, para nag-uusap sila. No, it looks like they're all talking. No, they're like talking to each other. No, Bitcoin created an oras or a bounce on oras. Nagkaroon ng bounce yan within this area. Tinuktok niya pataas. Okay, it was trying to retest that support, and Nasdaq bounced on 618. And I think that's a very powerful reminder of why we need to be careful, especially when you have correlating markets and you have 618. So ito po ang ating pananaw dito. Here is my opinion. Okay? Here's my humble opinion. I think and I believe most likely the Fed is going to raise interest rates again, another 75 basis points increase. I think that's what they will do. I think the market will be considering a price increase or an interest rate increase. However, I think as we go along the 400 bips to 500 bips, as we go along with that, mas iisipin ng market, okay, malapit na tayo sa dulo. Malapit na tayo sa 5. Ito na yung terminal basis point. Mukhang magdadahan-dahan na yan. Kasi di ba, versus the time na nasa 1 pa lang tayo or nasa 2, ngayon po nasa 400 na po tayo. So pwedeng isipin ng market, no? Pwedeng umakyat na. Kasi if you're going to look at in any literature ngayon, Miranda, if you're going to look at any newsletter today, no one can tell you the reason why this bounce. People will just tell you it's the market changing its mind. But why will the market change its mind? What is an indicator that can tell you that crypto or Nasdaq can bounce? There is nothing else but 618. There's nothing else but 618. Okay? So, that is one of the reasons why you have a system. One of the reason. Kung ako hindi ko alam na may 618, kung hindi ko alam at hindi ko nakita may 618 dyan, hindi ko bibitawan yung shorting ko Hindi ko siya bibitawan Pero nung nakita kong may tatamaang 618 si Nasdaq, may tinamaan na actually, at gumagawa na ng lightening of the selling pressure, sabi ko, ay hindi. Malabo na tong shorting na to, cut loss na tayo. And that's the reason why we did cut loss. Diba? That's the reason why we did a cut loss, and of course, we lost 3,000 pesos. No? Pero, in return ka, Miranda, okay lang matalo ka ng 3,000 kung in return, you're going to have, your bread and butter, and in return, you're going to earn 52,000 pesos. Diba? Ikaw, tanungin kita ka, Miranda, okay lang bang matalo ng 3,000 pesos kasi you're not riding your losses? You're riding the trend. Ang problema kasi sa atin, ito ka, Miranda, no? I wanna teach you this mindset kasi dinaanan ko din to eh. Minsan kasi dumadaan tayo sa panahon na we're riding our losses. We're trying to fight. We're falling in love with the coin. No? And ang tawag doon, anchoring bias. Okay, sulat niyo yan ha. Ang tawag doon, anchoring bias. When you say anchoring bias, we rely on the information we receive about a particular coin. Doon lang tayo nakabias, doon lang tayo naka-anchor. No? And it affects our ability to look into the item objectively. Okay? That's where we are falling apart. Kapag we're riding on our losses. So Miranda, tayo dapat pag talo na, bitawan na. Wag niyo nang kontrahin yung market. No? Pag talo na, bitawan kahit 3,000 pesos pa man yan. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Alright? So tayo dapat, pag tayo nakakita na ng pagkatalo, you cut loss, and then pumasok ka ng bagong trade na talagang isipin mong may RSI, oversold, mayroon kang 618, nag-oras multi-year, labanan mo, and walang problema sa 3,000 kung mananalo ka man ng 52,000. Kayo ba? Sige nga, papipiliin ko kayo. Do you guys want to earn 49,000 pesos? That's 52,000 minus 3,000. Pag gustuin mo yun, isang gabi kumita ka ng 50 mil, tinake profit mo na, close price na eh. Diba? Ang sarap, no? But then again, minsan ang iba sa atin, alam nyong mali, pinipilit pa natin. Huwag tayong ganun kami. We need to learn how to cut that. We need to learn how to cut that, guys. Okay? We need to learn that sometimes art of letting go can help you. Do not ride a losing trade. Ride! Minsan kung ano pa yung panalong trade, yung pa yung take profit agad kayo eh. Diba? Kung ano pa yung winning trade, yun pa yung, kunin ko kaagad. Samantalang pag losing trade na, ang tagal. Diba? Bato-bato sa langit, amaan magagalit. Diba? And I'm telling you, masakit ng 3,000 kasi malaking pera din yan. But if it's going to give you an ability to earn 10 times of that money, then why not? Why not, diba? Again, we're not perfect. No? But it doesn't mean you're gonna be stupid. Ulitin ko we're not perfect. But it doesn't mean we're gonna be fools. We're not perfect, but it doesn't mean magpapaka TANGA po tayo. Meron po tayong system. Meron po tayong system. Wag po nating pilitin. Kasi sometimes we fall in love with the coin. We fall in love with the trade. Nilalaban natin kahit mali. And karamihan, ang pinakamagandang ugali po ng isang trader is they know how to cut loss. Because if the market is going against your trade, let it go. Okay? Let it go. Alright, another thing, pag-usapan naman natin ito. Let's talk about gold, Miranda. I've actually been looking at gold for quite some time already. Gusto ko magkaroon tayo ng konting aha moment dito, no? Because we keep on looking at Bitcoin. But let's look at gold at this point in time. Miranda, one of the drivers as to why I think inflation is all over the place. Ibig sabihin, tayo po ay talagang apektado na ng inflation is when you look at stored value asset like gold. Sino po dito, yung bata po sila, may mga magulang sila, ang paborito mag-hoard ng gold? Saudi gold, 'di ba? Iba-ibang klaseng. Sino po dito? Sige nga. Type number 1 kung meron kayong kakilala who are into gold. Yan. You need to remember, ang perspective po kasi in gold is something that can be a store value. Okay? But one thing, Miranda, that you need to realize is gold, even today, is affected. As a matter of fact, gold, the price today of gold is equivalent to its price way back 2011. What does that mean? What does that mean kapag ang presyo niyan is way back 2011? Ang ibig sabihin po nito, this is what you call inflation. Okay? Demand destruction, interest rate increases. Yan na po yan. 'Di ba? Yung 400 basis point increase na yan, okay? Let's open FOMC watch. Yung 400 basis point increase na yan, from the time we started, from the very time that we started Miranda, yan, they're actually all expecting for 400 basis points na. No? People are expecting for 400 bips. 97% of the people are expecting it's gonna be 400. But if you think about it, as of September of last month, they were thinking na pwede na tayong magbigay lang ng 50 basis points or 25 basis points. So ibig sabihin nito, nag-iiba na naman ang ihip ng hangin. As of October 13, 97% of individuals are thinking that sarado na po ang 400 basis points, Miranda. Sarado na yan. Meaning they're going to increase 75 basis points again. And the next meeting is going to be on November 2. November 2 ang kanilang magiging meeting, Miranda. November 2, expect volatility. Pero ang pakiramdam ko, naku, sana lang talaga. Pakiramdam ko, maglalaylo. Sure ball 75 pero pwedeng bumaba. Hindi na tataas. Tingin ko 75 is the peak. Tapos kumaga, lalaylo na doon. There's gonna be some pronouncements and potentially November 2 can be a sign of rally. Tandaan nyo po yan, pakisulat po, November 2. November 2, pakisulat po, okay? November 2. Okay? November 2, November 2, November 2. So, ibig sabihin po nito, itong tinaas na 400 basis points, ibig sabihin, pag mangungutang ka ngayon, meron ka ng, kung nangutang ka ngayon versus nangutang ka ng April, makakita ka na dyan ng 4 percentage point addition to your interest rates. Okay? Kung kayo po ay mangungutang, no? Mangungutang po kayo ng 2 years versus 10 years. 2 years rate, ang utang mo pwede nang umabot ng X% plus 4%. Ganun ang ibig sabihin nun. Malaki po ang 4% na sa utang. Malaki po yan. Pero malaki din ang 4% na equivalent sa interest rate sa bangko, ha? So people will now become more savers, no? So 400%, Miranda, apektado si gold. Gold is currently on this particular price, no? So from a price perspective, Miranda, we already are almost seeing a double top here. But at the end of the day, if you look at the performance the whole time, the price of gold right now is equivalent to the same price it had 10 years ago. Ibig sabihin yan, oversold na. Oversold na yung price. It's already selling on a discount. Gold is already selling on a discount. Gold is already selling on the price it had 10 years ago. Parang bumili ka ng isang sasakyan, ang presyo niya 10 years ago. 'Di ba? Ganun ibig sabihin nun. Bumili tayo, let's say, ng 2-door MX-5 Miata. 'Di ba? Ang presyo niyan 2.5 million 2.5 million 10 years ago. Miranda, 2.5 million today is a discount. Gets nyo? Yun ang ibig sabihin ko dito. Ibig sabihin, gold is already selling on a discount. Because if you look at the absolute value of dollars, the value of gold 10 years back at $1,600 per gold, and today the same price, ibig sabihin yan, gold is selling on a discount. And that is the effect of your CPI. That is the effect of your interest rates because demand destruction is real. Ang mga tao nagle-let go ng assets because the market is pronounced risky. Okay? Pronounced risky. Alright, let's now go on FOMC watch again. FOMC watch, ang meeting po nila is going to be on November 2. November 2. Kadalasan po yan, ilalabas po, no? Please mark your calendar. Sabihin ko na sa inyo para alam nyo na. November 2, Miranda, please take note. Take note of this. Sorry. November 2 is Wednesday. Mag-press release po yan ng November 3, Thursday ng alas 2 ng umaga. Okay? Please type number 1 kung natandaan na. November 3, panibagong CPI parang CPI volatility rin yan. November 3, alas 2 po ng umaga. Pero, mag-uusap na tayo November 2 pa lang. Mag-uusap na tayo dyan. No? Pag-uusapan na natin po ang November 2 FOMC meeting, FOMC watch. And they're going to release magkakaroon sila ng press release dyan or PR interview by November 3, Thursday, Miranda. Okay? Alright. Nako. Another thing na tingin po natin, no? Another thing na tingin po natin that can influence, no? Kailangan pakalmahin na ang ekonomiya. Bakit kailangan pakalmahin ang ekonomiya? Okay? Kasi po, meron na po tayong US elections, no? Going to be on November 8, 2022. There's going to be a midterm election in the US this coming November 8, 2022. So tingin po natin, papakalmahin po ng US government ang ekonomiya para medyo maganda ang kakalabasan ng eleksyon. No? Tingin po natin, of course, may mga interest po yan dyan, may mga vested interest sa mga yan. Okay? So, Miranda, yan po ang ating perception. That's my perception as to why there was an immediate bounce, no, from that particular price, no? And pag-usapan po natin where potentially Bitcoin can go. Where can potentially Bitcoin go? Okay. Miranda, bakit po ito nag-correct? Why is there a correction on this price? Sige nga, magkaroon tayo ng a little bit of a quiz. Why do you think the price of Bitcoin corrected on this price point? Can someone tell me? Comment down below. Mabilis na quiz, pop quiz tayo. What is the reason why Bitcoin corrected on this price point? Fibonacci Masterclass, tinuro ko yan ha. Fib Masterclass, hindi po 618. Miranda, listen to me carefully. Marami nagkamali. Guys, listen carefully ha. Listen, this is gonna be free lecture for you. Listen. Please, parang awaw nyo na. Malaking tulong para yumaman itong knowledge na to. Kapag ang price, it's actually creating a bearish retracing movement. And gagawa po ito ng impulse. The impulse are normally going to correct at your 382 area. Ulitin ko ha, if you're seeing an impulse, it's going to normally correct at the 382 area. Please paki-take note. However, tatandaan nyo lagi kay Miranda ha, ito ang unang pangsalag ninyo. 38.2. Yan ang unang pangsalag. Okay, the bullish impulsive move from your 0, okay, to your 38.2. Ito yung unang pangsalag, 38.2. Please type number 1 kung naiintindihan yan. Type, hindi ako aalis itong, hindi nyo nakukuha yan. Please type number 1 kung naiintindihan. Okay? Type number 1 kung naiintindihan, please. Okay, kasi ang maraming sumagot kanina, 618, hindi po agad. Mali po yun, ha? Kapag kayo nakakita kayo ng mga bearish retracing moves, pag gumagawa po ng impulse yan, ang impulse, normally it will respect first your 38.2. Wag na wag kayo mag-a-assume na ang TP agad 618. Mali po yun. Marami na fake out sa inyo sa ganyan, ha? Marami. So please, 382 muna. And that is the reason why Bitcoin corrected. Busy lang ako kanina kaya hindi na ako nag-message sa inyo. I was a bit busy. Pero kung ako hindi ako busy, or siguro kung hindi talaga kayo marunong mag-trade, ako marami na fake out dyan. Kasi nag-382, yan o, saktong-sakto sa 382 guys. Saktong-sakto talaga o. Swing high to, kukunin natin swing low rather here. Swing low, yan. Saktong-sakto talaga yan. Doon lang talaga siya nag-correct. No? So, of course, pag hindi mo po alam yan, talo ka. Di ba? So, dapat alam po natin yung mga ganyang bagay. Okay, yan. So, nakita nyo ngayon, gumagawa siya ng bullish flag, no, or bullish pennant. So, anong magandang pasok natin? Diyan, gamit ka lang ng fan. Okay. So, meron ka ditong resist. Di ba, meron kang support dito. May support ka. Meron ka ng resistance dito. Gamit ka ngayon ng fan, no? Gamitin mo yung fan mo. Okay, gamitin mo tong fan. This is gonna be your guide. It's gonna be your guide, no? Alright? Gamitin mo yan. Guide mo lang naman yan eh. You're not gonna be using that muna. Okay, and eventually, you're going to use another fan. Kasi tapos na to eh. Nag-breakout na to eh, yan oh. Tapos na. No? So you have your 382 and you have your 618. Tapos na yan, no? Okay? So meron na tayong linya. Okay? So ang trabaho nating hanapin, where will this support? Yan. Yung trabaho nating hanapin yan. So, ang takbo nito ngayon, di kuya, ang takbo niya ngayon, this one is going to work its way going down. Pwedeng saluhin nitong support na to. Pwedeng saluhin nito. Pwedeng niyang tukuran yan. Pwedeng umakyat pataas or pwedeng bumaba. Ipangsasalo nyo muna to. Pangsasalo nyo yan. Ha? Kita mo, talagang saktong-sakto dun eh, no? Talagang dun siya sumunod eh. Yan, no? Kita mo yan, boom, boom, boom. Diba? So, learn how to do your fib funds, Miranda. Okay. Ngayon naman, ang pinakamagandang pasok dito, tulad niyan, ito, nagdo-doji na siya, hindi siya nagko-confirm, eh, no? Okay. So, ang next na magandang pasok dito, tatanggalin ko na tong... Okay, ang pinakamagandang pasok natin, just scalp the market, no? You only do some position trades, Miranda. You only do a position trade when you see confirmation on a big picture, ha? So, you will not do any confirmation or a position kung hindi nyo pa nababasag itong 19,946. So, what I want you guys to do is to wait for this to break out. Breakout. Within this universe, magsa-scalp ka lang. Use your fib funds. No? Scalp ka lang. No? Use your Halmachi 2.0, use that, no, within this universe, no? Tapos, ang gawin mo, pag lumagpas na siya, huwag ka munang magpaka-buy long ngayon. Ako, pipitikin kita. Huwag muna, mag-antay ka because mag-aantay tayo ng breakout niya dito sa area na to paakyat. Kasi ang gusto kong gawin nito ganito, no? So, tatanggalin ko to lahat. Ang gusto kong gawin ni Kuya Bitcoin ganito. Okay? What I want this guy to do is this, no? I want this guy to do, kukuha yan dyan, gusto ko gumawa siya ng ganyan. I want this guy to do this. And I want this guy to break out. Ito yung gusto kong laban niya. Yan ang gusto kong laban ni Bitcoin. Papasukan ko yan dito. Okay? Yan ang gagawin ko dyan. Kasi tinuro ko na sa inyo to before. Diba? Ang sabi ko sa inyo before, ganito. Kapag si Bitcoin, ganito yung labanan ni Bitcoin, wait lang ah. Kapag si Bitcoin nagpakita ng ganitong itsura, ayan. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, kapag si Bitcoin gumawa ng ganitong itsura, ganyan, tapos gugawa ng neckline nyo dyan, ito kukunin nyo sa ilalim ganyan. Kukunin nyo itong larong to sa baba. I'll give you an example. Nakita niyo yan? Di ba bumaba? Another one. Boom. Boom. Kunin mo yung neckline, bababa pang isa yan. Di ba? Kapag gumagawa ng ganito, yung parang letter H or bearish pennant, no? Kunin niyo yung ilalim niyan yan. Okay? Pag gumagawa naman siya ng ganito, if it's creating something like this, no? Gumagawa ng ganyan. Ikukunin mo sa taas. This one. Okay? Yan ang kukunin po ninyo. Alright, yan po ang kukunin nyo. Ngayon, of course, yung take profit mo dito, meron kang pinanggalingan ganyan dyan. Yung gagawin mong take profit dito, either yan yung swing high, swing low, 618 mo dito yan. Yan ang gagamitin mong TP area. Or pwede mong gawin, 'di ba a bullish trend is a series of higher highs and higher lows. So pwede mong gawin ganito. Okay. So pwede mong gawin, 'di ba, series of higher highs and higher lows. Gagawa dito ng ayan. Pwede mong gawin, gagawa ko ngayon dito ng Fibonacci trend base. Magawa ka ng ganyan. Yan ang gagawin mo ngayon. Okay? Yan ang gagawin mo ngayon dyan. Okay. Alright. Nasaan na tayo? Okay. Naintindihan nyo na si Bitcoin, Miranda, ha? Tinuro ko na sa inyo, ha? Dapat marunong na kayo nun. Guys. Alright. If you're scalping and if your exit point is less than 3%, do not wait for CCC anymore. No? If the exit plan is more than 3% and you are not scalping, and then you need to use your confirmation candles. All right? Okay, so for example, case in point, no? Hanap tayo dito ng case. Okay, gagawa tayo dito ng wala akong prepared na red na case ngayon. Anyways, kung may nakita ko, actually meron ako mga samples sa university. No? Meron ako mga samples doon. Yung current university natin, tuturo ko yan mga yan. Anyways, yan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. For example, nakakita kayo ng mga ganitong laban. No? Here. Yan. Ito yung mga makikita ninyo eh. So, if you see this, kita mo yan? Diba? Tapos, if you see another, diba? Yun yung tinatawag natin mga bullish pennants. No? But of course, may limitation yan, ha? If you're seeing a bullish pennant and you're in the late magic already, ingat na. Because it will do some short squeezes, but it has a tendency to go down because of the left hand. So kahit mag-aakyat pa yan dyan, if the series is the market is creating a higher high, but your oscillators is actually creating a reverse, no? It can already retrace, no? It can retrace, Miranda. And Tatandaan nyo rin from a market structure perspective, hanggat walang ginagawang TLSBD, do not do massive shorts. Do not do massive shorts. Okay, yun po ang ating show for today. Napakabilis ng show natin, Miranda, no? Pabilis, direct to the point. Wala nang mga kung ano-ano pa. We're gonna be focusing on learning, FAs, TAs, technical analysis, etc. Bukas meron tayong raffle. I'm going to give away a lot of money bukas. No, anong gagawin po ninyo? Anong gagawin po ninyo, Miranda? I want you to open my YouTube channel and I want you to go to Coach Miranda Miner, and I want you to go to his videos, and I want you to go to this video, itong Why Choose OKX. I want you to click on this video. Thank you again to OKX for this, no? I want you to do all of this, okay? And I want you just to comment. I want you to comment OKX new discovery. I'm going to raffle the winner. I'm going to choose 2 winners, okay? The winner will get 1,000 pesos, over your GCash. Okay? The winner will get 1,000 pesos to your GCash account. So please comment here. We're going to raffle tomorrow. We're going to raffle tomorrow. So Miranda, mag-raffle. Mag-comment na po kayo dyan sa link na yan. Okay? So we're going to raffle care of OKX. Maraming salamat, OKX, for you. Medyo maganda tong ating commercial ngayon. Of course, thank you to OKX, ha? Salamat.
It is actually the most trusted, reliable
Pinaghandaan ko tong video na to. I-like nyo naman din, ha?
crypto exchange in the industry today. It's also trusted by 20 million users in 180 regions with 0 downtimes during market spikes. OKX has never been hacked, which is unheard of in the industry, with a state-of-the-art encryption and security to keep your assets protected, which we all need, by the way. It has powerful tools, one of the largest in spot market and derivatives markets, spot margin futures, perpetual swap.
Of course, hindi lang tayo OKX or Bing X, no? Parang may X din sa dulo yun, Parang may X. Naku, kalimutan na daw yung mga X. Move on na tayo. Move on na. Alright. Oy, antayin ko yung mga comment nyo. Mag-raffle tayo tomorrow. We're gonna be having a raffle tomorrow. 2 mananalo. Rekta na sa inyong GCash account. Nako, grabe naman yun. Wala nang wallet transfer. Rekta, pwede nang panggastos agad. Sinong gustong ganun? Baka gawin ko pang 2,000 bawat isa yan. Diba? Tingnan natin. Kung aabot tayo ng 3,000 views tomorrow, gagawin nating 2K each ang raffle natin. 2K worth of GCash. Ha? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung aabot tayo dyan bukas. Sino ba yung mga hugot-hugot na yan? Alright. Anyways, Miranda, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you for joining me in our show. Thank you again to the people in Binance. Almost 879 viewers. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channels. You can find me in our YouTube channel, Coach Miranda Miner, the one and only. And please don't forget po to click on like and subscribe. Sige na please. Salamat. At God bless you, Miranda. I love you 3,000. At no, 2 lang ang winner bukas, ha. Hindi 4, 2 lang. Worth 2,000 each. Kung if you want this, ibigay nyo rin sa mga kaibigan nyo yan. Make sure you click on subscribe, ha. Huwag lang mag-comment. Dapat subscriber ko kayo, ha. Okay? So, give it to your friends. Gusto nyo manalo yung kaibigan nyo, yung nanay nyo, tatay nyo. Send this to all of your friends para manalo sila ng 2,000 pesos tomorrow. Tomorrow, no? Ng 2,000 pesos over GCash. Alright. Maraming salamat again. God bless you and I love you guys and good night. Salamat. Thank you to the moderators who are all here tonight. Maraming salamat po for being here, helping me moderate the community. To Ma'am Clarice, maraming salamat sa iyo. No? Kila Kuya Dan, no? Marami tayong mga moderators ngayon. Thank you, ha. na nandarito po, no, to all of you who are helping me tonight in our